What's up, guys? Welcome back to Detail Garage. I'm Hector, and today we have this beautiful BMW in our detail garage, and it's got matte wheels. And a lot of the questions we get is, how can I clean matte wheels? How can I maintain them? And more importantly, how can I protect them from getting any damage or getting jacked up from the sun or just wear and tear? The answer is our meticulous matte spray sealant. So this not only works great on the paint, it also is going to work great on the wheel. So it's made for any matte or satin finish, whether it's on the wheels, whether it's on the paint or whatever. If you're weird and have satin windows, it might go on there too. But all you're going to do is going to spray it on there. It's going to exfoliate and pick up any of the dirt, debris, whether it's brake dust, bird droppings or anything, and take it off of the surface. So when you wipe with your towel, it's not going to scratch into the surface. A big misconception is, I'm gonna get my hood wrap matte, or I'm gonna get a matte paint job, and it's gonna be less I have to worry about it. I don't have to take care of this much, and that's actually not true. It's actually sometimes a little more sensitive because you can see scratches. If it's not well maintained, water drops, bird droppings can eat right through that stuff. So it's a good idea to keep it protected so it lasts as long as it possibly can. So on this BMW here, we have these Volk Racing T37 racing wheels. So for all you racing fans, I know it's a popular brand, and it's a beautiful rim. You probably can't tell, but there's a lot of brake dust that's all over the rim here because the customer here, the owner of the car, is constantly driving and you know, taking turns and doing race car stuff. So he gets all the buildup from the brake dust. If that stuff stays on there, it's gonna embed itself into the mat, into the wheel, and it's pain to get out, and sometimes you can't even get it out. So like I said, we're gonna use our meticulous matte spray sealant, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna spray a couple sprays, obviously starting from the top, working our way down, and I'm gonna do here a little section just so you can see the difference, and maybe a 50-50 at the very end, so you can get a good difference between what it looked like before and what it looks like now. All right, so I have two towels here, my meticulous matte spray sealant, and we're just gonna spray onto the rim. So what it's gonna do, again, it's gonna hit the surface, grab any particles, brake dust, road tar and grime, and kind of bring it into itself. So it's not just sitting on the rim, and when you pass your towel through it, it's not scratching the rim or doing any damage. All right, so again, we'll start from top to bottom. And you wanna be very, very gentle. As you can see, they're really, really dirty. And you couldn't even tell just because these Volk Racing wheels do a really good job of hiding the brake dust, but they are very, very dirty. Add a little bit more. And you can see some here at the bottom, it's kind of running down. It's really, really dirty. Really, I would show you, but I have black gloves. We didn't think about it all the way through here. And you want to use the same method you use on your paint. You're rolling your towel slowly, so you're not reintroducing the same dirt you just took off back into the rim and damaging anything, all right? All right, guys, so I've just finished cleaning up this wheel. It can be hard to tell just because of the finish, but it was extremely dirty. Here is one towel. This is just from this front wheel here. It's pretty gross. So another great thing about our meticulous matte spray sealant is that not only is it going to give you a nice sheen on the mat, it's also going to protect. It has UV blocking agents, what protects anywhere from the sun, or gives a light layer protection for further damage from the brake dust or bird droppings, whether it's on a paint or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of these wheels. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and comment if you wanna see other videos or have other ideas. We really appreciate it, guys. All right, thanks.